All right, now first off, you want to get this hump centered as possible. Okay? Okay, that's pretty good. You want to start sealing it down with your finger, making sure that this hunk of clay doesn't end up all the way across your studio. Seal the deal. There you go. All right. Put a little water on there. Start centering it. It's not crucial that you get this thing centered all the way, but it will help your mind to keep everything else centered if it is. If you find any funky pieces of clay, take them out so they don't get in the way later down the road. All right. Now what I'm doing here is called a wheel wedge. And you want to just bring it up high like that, and we're going to start compressing down with the karate chop.